Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Nadine West. This is a monthly clothing subscription, and I'm going to show you what I got and insert pictures at the end so you can see the full outfits. So we have a couple different bundles, and they do send jewelry as well, so that's buried in one of the bundles. I'm just going to go through each piece and then I'll insert pictures. So first thing I have is a pair of pants. These are actually really cute. They're maroon and black. They're real wide leg. They look super comfy and they are very soft. Very, very soft. So those are nice. Ooh, I'm excited for these. I have a pair of black jeggings that I got from Old Navy, and I wear the heck out of them. And they look pretty much just like this. They're skinny ones, and they're starting to really wear, and I need another pair. And I went there, and they don't carry the style anymore or something. I tried some on. I'm like, these are not the pants that I love. So I have these now. And these just slide on up, and they look like jeans, and they're real stretchy, and they're black. So I'm excited for that. They look very, very similar to my other ones. So that's cool. That came just in time. And then, ooh, I like that a lot. Maroon top, and the sleeves are completely lace and see-through. That's really cool. I like that. It's nice and flowy too. Alright, that was bundle number 1. Ooh, did I get some more pants? Awesome. So if there's anything that you don't like, either it doesn't fit or you just think it's not your style, you just put it back in the bag, and then they only charge you for what you keep. So it's really easy. And these are some very, very dark jeggings. Cute. I like the little zippers. So those are neat. So I got 2 pairs of pants. And then another top, or maybe a dress. This is a top by Hippie Chick. I tend to like their stuff. Long sleeved, really pretty blue. And then there's some black in the middle. And I realize this probably isn't the best angle to be showing them to you, which is why I insert the pictures at the end so that you can see what they look like. There's the jewelry tucked away, so we'll do that last. Got 2 more pieces of clothing. If I could undo this, figure out what it is. Cute. This is a sweater, and it's super soft. Very unique color. I don't have anything in this color, so I like that. And it's medium, but it looks real oversized, so I like that. And the last piece of jewelry is a top. Button down navy blue top. Kind of has a little scrunched up sleeve there. Real light. That'll look really cute with the leggings too. And then I always get a pair of earrings, a bracelet, and a necklace. So the earrings this month look like this. And then the necklace. I've gotten some really interesting pieces of jewelry, so that's always fun. So this one's real long. Chain has little beads, little tiny beads going all the way down. And then it has a real long dangly. Pretty cool looking. And then the bracelet, which bracelets always tend to be my favorite, even though you don't really see me wearing bracelets much. But this is cool. Has like some turquoise stones on it, which is my daughter's birthstone, so I love that. I have tiny little wrists, so I don't know. Seems pretty comfortable. Of course, it's going to move a little bit, but yeah, cool. So that's what I got. If you guys want to check them out, I do have a promo code. I think it gets you free shipping. So I'll go ahead and enter those pictures at the end so you can see it, and check out the description box for prices of each individual piece. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.